Hello viewer, how I made this design by using the Photoshop free pen tool. So first of all we will remove this design and then create a design from the scratch. So let's make it, then drag the image over that and have a shape to start. So let's use the clipping mask. There we have. For more we will use the pen tool. Thank you for watching my video.